Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Squishies girl. So today I'm gonna be showing you my paper Squishies collection. So I'm pretty excited to do this video. It's my first video on YouTube. So yes, let's get started the video. So my first Squishy what I made is just right there. Wait, I'm gonna take this one. It's my first Squishy made. It's a cupcake. So this is normal, but it's super squishy. That's super cool. And super cute. My second one, what I made, it's a unicorn. Super squishy. I like it. It's super cute. Look at the skirt with the gold. It's super cute. So here is my braid. I just like it. Look at her eyes. It's super cute. Yes. This is a pizza. Super delicious. So look at that. I like it. So I got more squishies. If you want guys part 2, tell me that on the comment. So you should comment down below and tell me if you want part 2. Yes. So this is a emoji. Look at my face with emoji. I just like it. So this is my cute puppy. It's super cute, guys. It looks like Pokemon, but it's not. Wow, it's super cute. Here we got a diamond. Diamond. Okay, diamond. It's blue. And we got tiny squishies. I got a waffle. It's a waffle. I got a chocolate, but it's not so colorful. See that? Normal chocolate. Super tiny. Come on. Okay, so I have finished. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe on my channel, and if you want a part 2, comment down below. See you guys next time. Bye.